Having a saltwater pool is a great investment, right? And it's fun for the whole family. But like anything, it does require some upkeep. Today we will talk about how and when to test your pool water, all in just 60 seconds, so let's hit it. For starters, testing a salt pool is no different than testing a traditional chlorine pool. Your goal, to ensure your sanitizer is kept at those optimal levels. You'll typically see that a salt chlorinator helps make this consistent. You also want to make sure to test for your salinity, pH, and other supplementary chemistry levels as needed. The standard approach is to do a complete water chemistry test about once a week, or after anything that might cause changes like bad weather or heavy pool use. Testing like this allows you to make those small water chemistry corrections when needed, rather than facing those big challenges later. Now you can go about this a number of different ways. You can use test strips, chemical test kits, digital testers, or just take a sample to a pool store. Each of these methods have their pros and cons on how easy, precise, or expensive they are. The choice is yours, but just keep that water looking good. I'm John with Discount Salt Pool, and thanks for watching.